get one too.
Okay, here's some action from a couple of hot days hunting Sharptails and Huns, and I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Come into that corner.
He's on point right now. Got a wall. Holy shit. That was like a classic point. We screwed the pooch there. Fetch. Got her, fetch. Fetch. Gunner! Do you think that was me? Good boy. Give. Good boy. Good boy. Dead bird. Gunner over here. Gunner. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead. Dead. Fetch. Fetch. Dead. Good boy. Come. Fetch. Good boy. Come. Give. Good boy. Boy. See that rooster get up? It's going to your right. Fetch. It's good to have a full choke. Fetch. Good boy. Attaboy, buddy. Look, he can't see because fetch. Come. Come. That's my buddy. Good boy. Come. Get. Good boy. Big bird. Fetch. 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 Dead. Boy. 4 in about an hour. I think I hit one too. Me? Come. Come. Gunner, come. Come. Give. There's another one. You got an eye on that one? Gunner. Dead bird. Good boy. Fetch. Hold. That is.
Right there. Got him. He's going down. Across the leg. Got him.
He was pointing it. You see him?
I was getting the water out. I walked right by that bird.
Gunner, fetch. Dead. 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 Attaboy. Come. Attaboy. Good boy. There. This is what happens when you're getting a drink of water and you decide that you want to shoot your buddy's 10 gauge and you don't notice your dog go on point.
The first one, and
All right.
you weren't in my line of sight.
I heard the pellets go whizzing by at about 50 yards.
I had to look to see where you were at. Oh, right there. Shoot that bird. Nice. God.
He was pointing that too.
Yeah.
He had it pointed on the other side. Fetch.
That was a nice flush, a good shot. He was with the wind.
I don't think we have the point on video, but he was on point. There you go. Gunner, come. That's my buddy. You can't see where you're going, can you?
You can't.
Come on, buddy. That a boy. Good boy. That's a limit, buddy.
Yeah, it is.
That's a limit today. All right.